So if you want to find more clients as a freelance writer, there's a few things you can do right now to increase your chances of success. So one of them is being active on social media platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn and connecting with other writers, editors, and business owners online. Events and meetups are also another great way. So attending industry events, meetups, or joining relevant online communities. This will help you build your network with potential clients and get your name out there. Free projects are a bit controversial, but you can do this. So getting involved in projects that interest you, even if they're not paid gigs, this will help you build up your portfolio and show potential clients what you can do. Just make sure it's for charities or friends or that kind of thing. Workshops and networking for writers. So attending writers' workshops and networking events. This is a great way to meet potential clients and learn more about the industry and find out about different opportunities. Another good tip is to make a list of specific companies or organizations you would love to work for. This can help you focus your search and target a specific niche or business. So do take time to make sure your CV and cover letter is up to date. Every time you send the cover letter, make sure it is focused on the particular industry within the business that you're targeting, and then go ahead and reach out to potential clients directly. So when you're doing this, make sure you send them a customized proposal outlining what you can offer them and how much it will cost. Particularly if this includes keyword research, even on a basic level, you're going to put yourself ahead of most other writers out there. It's also important to stay on top of industry trends and updates within the industry, whether that's different tools, resources, or opportunities that you can take advantage of. This, again, is going to put you ahead of other freelancers. So one thing you can do is attend conferences, whether that's online or in person, other networking events, and just trying out the latest tools to help you write better. Marketing yourself effectively includes having a solid online presence. So like I touched on with the social media, having an active website with examples of your work, testimonials, make sure it's organized by the type of business as well. So it's really easy to browse through. So local businesses are something that's sometimes overlooked, but they can be more flexible, sometimes willing to pay higher rates for people who are local to them. So don't overlook the local businesses to you. On the other end of the spectrum, there's online job boards as well. So make sure you're looking on Upwork, Fiverr, Guru.com, Freelancer, and Facebook groups as well. So there's a number of Facebook groups, which are a great way to connect with other freelance writers as well and potential clients. There's tons of groups dedicated to helping freelancers find work, and many of them have job boards built in as well. Then you can also go on business Facebook groups as well. Then there's writing agencies. So agencies are a great place to start looking when looking for new clients. So establishing relationships with agencies is good because they have a higher volume of work and they have the ability to provide steady work to freelancers. So make sure that you pitch them with relevant work to what it looks like their clients do. Guest blogging as well is another great way to get your name out there and attract new clients. How do you actually find the right guest blogging opportunities? So there's a few tips here. Firstly, identify the kinds of clients you want to work with. Next, research their company culture and what type of content they typically publish. Then create a list of target publications that would fit your writing style and expertise. Now it's time to actually reach out to them directly and pitch them ideas for guest blog posts. Make sure that you pitch them tailored ideas to their particular audience and focus. And if you can provide other value as well in this, such as targeting specific keywords, then you're much more likely to get the gig. Finally, follow up after your guest post goes live, share it on your social media channels, and tag the publications. This will help build your relationship with these publications and increase your chances of being invited back again. Another tip is to partner with other freelancers. This can be done by joining a freelancer group or connecting with other writers online or in person. By partnering with others, you can share leads and resources, which can help you both succeed in your business. And teaming up with another freelancer can make you more attractive to potential clients as they will see that you're part of a team of professionals. You can refer each other work as well. If someone's on holiday, then you can share it like that. So by following these tips, you can put yourself in a better position to succeed as a freelance writer. With some hard work and dedication, you can build a thriving online business that will provide you with long-term financial stability. And if you're looking to speed up the process of writing high-quality content, do check out Wrote Sonic. You can get a free trial by clicking the link in the description. And thanks for watching this.